Hello everyone, Elistria is here. Welcome to my video. Welcome back to the channel. As you see, we are prepped and ready and primed to make a smoothie. So let's go. So I have apples, I have bananas. I'm probably going to add 2 more bananas, 3 carrots that I've already peeled. I'm going to chop those. A kiwi that I've already peeled. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to dice up my apple so that it blends well in the blender. And also I'm using some ground ginger and ground cinnamon. One of the things that I am passionate about is showing people how to make a healthy lifestyle affordable. So as often as I can, I use fresh. However, I want to show you how to do this with dried herbs. So this is step 1 of cutting my apple. So I've kind of quartered it. So then I'm going to go in and chop them into smaller pieces. You see the core is in like a little square. So get as much of the pulp off of that as you can because you don't want to waste product. Okay, you guys, so you see how I have chopped my apple into small portions. You see that core is nice and stripped down. So I'm going to chop up all of my fruits here and then we'll come back. Okay, you guys, my apples and my kiwi are cut. All there. Okay, guys, here are my carrots. I diced them up and I put them into the smaller container because it does a better job of pulverizing things that are more coarse or harder texture. So I'm going to use this one instead of the larger one to do this carrot. Okay guys, so I have added a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of ginger to this mixture, and I also added 1 of the bananas. Okay guys, I have added about 1/4 of a cup of raw pumpkin seeds, pepitos, okay? So you guys, I'm going to add about 4 ounces of flax milk to this mixture. And the reason I'm making so much is because this is going to last me for several days. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to package it and put it in the freezer. However, it's dairy, lactose, nuts, soy, and gluten-free. Amazing. Ready for the blend button? Here we go. Oh no. Press the wrong button. Here we go. Here we are. Looks like some kind of cake batter, doesn't it? Maybe some cornbread batter. We're going to add this mixture to our blender. Yep, she's trying to just sitting on top right there. She's going to start melting down and go all the way down to the bottom. Let's move on to the next part. Okay, you guys, so without rinsing the container, I have added in the other banana that you saw and 4 more ounces of my flax milk. I'm now going to add 8 ounces of water. Okay guys, I added 8 ounces to this container, just under 8, maybe about 7, and then the other 8 to the blender. That makes a full 16 ounces of water. Okay, ready to blend. Okay guys, I poured in the liquid from the container and my well is full, so we're going to start blending. Ready to start blending. Ready to start blending. Look how pretty. It looks like confetti. Doesn't it look like some confetti cupcake batter or something? So I poured out half the contents of my blender because I'm now going to add in, that's right, you guessed it, spinach and kale. Let's go. Okay, I've added my kale. Time to blend. Okay, you guys, batch number 2 of the spinach and kale mixture is in, and I only have this much left. I'm going to leave that for my family for some salad. Let the blending begin. Okay guys, so all of the greens have been blended and it's chunky, and I'm going to explain why. Okay guys, so we are back and I have poured in the reserve liquid from before, and of course it's still green because green is dominant. So this is what we have. Now I'm going to yes, add in some Ziploc bags. These are the snack size. They're more narrow, and we are going to fill these and then put them inside of a freezer bag so we can have individual portions for our smoothies in the morning. Okay guys, so here we are. I have filled the snack bags, and as I said, I'm going to take these snack bags and put them inside of a freezer bag so they're protected and they're not burned. So what you can do is in the morning, you can take this frozen bag out, put it in your blender. If it's powerful enough to crush ice, to pulverize ice, just add some liquid, maybe some additional fruit, maybe some extra seeds. If you're not allergic to nuts, you can use nuts, and put them into the individual cup and make a fresh smoothie in the morning. Or if you have a low powered blender, don't worry, take down your little baggie the night before, put it into the refrigerator. It'll soften up enough, and then you can add your liquid, maybe more fruit, and then you can go from there. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you were inspired. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Just a little tip with a little recipe in between. Blessings. Bye.